The maintenance required light in your Toyota Corolla is an important reminder system that helps keep your vehicle in optimal condition. Understanding what it means and how to reset it properly is essential for every Corolla owner. Here you can see the maintenance required light illuminated on a Toyota Corolla dashboard. This orange light appears every 5,000 miles as a reminder for scheduled maintenance, primarily oil changes. It's important to understand that this is not a warning light like the check engine light, but simply a helpful reminder to keep your vehicle properly maintained. Resetting the maintenance light after service is crucial for several reasons. It ensures you receive accurate future reminders, maintains your warranty coverage, prevents confusion with actual vehicle problems, and keeps your maintenance schedule properly tracked. For 2020 through 2025 Toyota Corolla models with push-button start, follow these 5 steps carefully. First, ensure your vehicle is in park with the engine completely off. Then press and hold the trip meter reset button while pressing the power button twice without starting the engine. Continue holding the trip button until the maintenance light turns off, then release and start the engine to verify the reset was successful. For 2014 through 2019 models with traditional key ignition, the process is slightly different. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, then set your odometer to trip A. Turn the ignition off, then hold the trip meter reset button while turning the ignition back to on. Continue holding the button for 10 to 15 seconds until the maintenance light turns off. For the older 2009 through 2013 models, start by inserting your key and turning it to the on position. Make sure your odometer displays the actual mileage, not a trip reading. Turn the ignition off, then hold the trip reset button while turning the key back to on. Continue holding until the maintenance light cycles through and turns off completely. After completing the reset procedure for your specific model year, you should see these confirmation signs. The maintenance light should be completely off, there should be no warning messages on your display, and the engine should start normally. If the light remains on or returns immediately, double-check that you followed the correct procedure for your model year, or consult your owner's manual for additional guidance. When your Toyota Corolla's maintenance light won't reset, there are several common causes and solutions to check first. First, verify you're using the correct reset procedure for your specific Corolla model year, as methods vary significantly between generations. A critical factor often overlooked is battery voltage. Your vehicle needs at least 12 volts for the reset procedure to work properly. If the maintenance light returns immediately after resetting, this usually indicates an actual maintenance need beyond just an oil change. Professional diagnostic tools can help identify underlying issues when basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the problem. Following these best practices ensures successful maintenance light resets and helps maintain your vehicle's warranty coverage. The future of maintenance light systems is moving towards smartphone integration and artificial intelligence-driven predictive maintenance. Keeping your vehicle's software updated ensures optimal performance of maintenance reminder systems and compatibility with new features. Understanding these troubleshooting steps and staying informed about technological advances will help you maintain your Toyota Corolla systems effectively and avoid unnecessary service visits.